Top 8 Detox Water to Revitalize Your Morning. Are you feeling sluggish and in need of a morning pick-me-up? Are you tired of relying on caffeine to get you going in the morning? Well, I have a solution for you, Detox Water. Detox Water is a simple and refreshing way to start your day on the right foot. By infusing water with various fruits and herbs, you can create a delicious and hydrating drink that also provides a range of health benefits. Here are 8 different detox water recipes that you can try to jumpstart your morning routine. First up, we have the lemon and ginger detox water. Lemon and ginger are both known for their detoxifying properties. When combined with water, they create a refreshing and revitalizing drink that can aid in digestion and reduce inflammation. If you are looking for a cooling and refreshing option, try the cucumber and mint detox water. Cucumber is a natural diuretic, which can help to flush out toxins, and mint provides a soothing and refreshing flavor. For those looking to boost their metabolism, the apple cider vinegar detox water is a great choice. Apple cider vinegar can help to aid in digestion and increase feelings of fullness, helping you to start your day off on the right foot. If you are a fan of fruity flavors, try the strawberry and kiwi detox water. Both fruits are packed with antioxidants, which can help to protect against cellular damage and reduce inflammation. For a tropical twist, try the pineapple and mint detox water. Pineapple is rich in vitamins and minerals, while mint provides a refreshing and energizing flavor. If you are a fan of tangy flavors, try the blueberry and lemon detox water. Blueberries are a great source of antioxidants, while lemon provides a refreshing burst of flavor. For a hydrating option, try the watermelon and basil detox water. Watermelon is a great source of hydration, while basil provides a soothing and refreshing flavor. Finally, for a citrusy kick, try the orange and lime detox water. Both fruits are packed with vitamin C, which can help to boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. So there you have it. 8 different detox water recipes to try out and see which one works best for you. Remember to let the water infuse overnight for maximum flavor and benefits. Cheers to a refreshing and revitalizing start to your day.